Hello everybody, welcome back to the WC. This is your girl Clyde. You know how we do it here. Probably not because this is my second video, but we do WNBA all day. We got it fresh from the store. It's the 2024 WNBA Origins box. Released today. Am I gonna get that Caitlin Clark? Am I gonna get that Angel Reese? Sabrina Ionescu? Or our MVP Asia Wilson? Let's do it. Let's find out. I'm pretty excited about this. This one pack with 10 cards. Okay, let's do it. We got Grace Berger, Aliyah Clark. Would have been cool if it was the Caitlin Clark, but we love Aliyah too. Aces, you know. Isabel Harrison, Chicago Sky. These cards are cool. It's got that rainbow background. Rainbow wispy universe. Okay. What is this? Jumbo jerseys. Natasha Cloud from the Phoenix Mercury. Well, it's a numbered card. It's 1 out of 25. Okay. Come on. That's awesome. Alright, let's see what's behind this. Oh shoot. I think I heard of this. It's one of those redemption cards. Let's see. We'll do it slowly. It's WNBA Origins card set, universal autographs. So I'm getting an autograph card. Card numbers 4. Oh shit. Player Zia Cook. Hell yeah. I'm all for it. Zia Cook. We totally know who you are. I know I'm fucked up. Sorry, guys. All right, next. I got an autograph. A universal autograph. Kamilla Cardoso from the Chicago Sky. That looks really cool. What's behind? We got Origins. Wait a minute. Is that the legendary? Cheryl Swoops. And it's the numbered card. 58 out of 99. That's dope. I like Cheryl Swoops. Even if she don't like Caitlin Clark. Alright, let's see who's behind. Okay, we got a rookie card. And there's someone that ties her hair back. Shut the F up. Okay, no, I'm not gonna get excited. We got the forehead. Oh, we got the eyes. Shut up, it's Caitlin Clark. Oh, what's up? All right, I mean, it's not an autograph. It's a numbered 17 out of 75. We did it, guys. It's not an auto, but I'm very, very happy. I'm happy. All right, let's see what's behind Caitlin Clark. Euphoria. Is that Brittany Griner? Brittany Griner? All right, hold on. I gotta put this card. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! You could tell I'm new to this. It's alright. Goes on the golden. Oh my god. Alright, Brittany Griner. Phoenix Mercury. We all know her. Team USA, you know, gold medalist. And behind her is Dewanna Bonner from the Connecticut. She's cool. She's really good. It's a numbered card. 35 out of 49. Wow, guys. Thank you for watching. This box did not disappoint. It was the most exciting first rip that I could have asked for. Like and subscribe. I have 5 more boxes coming. Let's see how my collection grows. Let's see if I can do it again. I hit the rookie. I hit the rookie. And I hit the legend. Awesome. All right. See ya.